Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm William, and in today's video I'll show you how to actually translate your manuscript into different languages. Gone are the days where we used to use Google Translate. We will copy documents back and forth, but Microsoft has made it quite easy. So this is my manuscript for it. This is my manuscript for my storybook. It can be any Word document. So I have mine here. Mine is here. So without further wasting your time, let's get on to the business of the day. So after you've opened your manuscript or your story, what you want to do is that you want to click on reviews and then select language. And then what will happen is that if you select just a portion of the text, that is what is going to get translated. But if you select the document, translate document, it's going to translate the entire Word document. So let me show you. As you can see, another dialog has opened on the right side, which is the translator. And kindly make sure you have internet connected for this to work. It's very important that you do have an internet connection for this to actually work. So sometimes it's a bit slower. So when this pop-up opens, what you can do, as you can see, it's just it has translated the story, and then it has opened another Word document. So what you can do is that I set mine to always translate this language, but you can change that. So it's always going to be from English to any language you select. That's how it's going to be translated into. And what it does is that it opens another Word document of the translated version of the document. So that will be all for today. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe as it helps the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.